Tools so advanced, they'll change the way you work, create, and even live. From automating emails to generating entire video edits. These are not just your typical AI tools. These are cutting-edge innovations you need to know about in 2024. So buckle up, and let's explore the top 10 AI tools that can replace your daily tasks this year. For video editors out there, Runway ML is an absolute game-changer and a must-have in your editing toolkit. This innovative AI-powered platform revolutionizes the way you edit videos, allowing you to make adjustments and enhancements using simple text prompts. Yes, you heard that right. No more tedious timelines or complex editing software. With Runway ML, you can cut, enhance, and even add stunning visual effects without ever needing to drag a single clip on a timeline. Imagine how much easier your editing process could be. Need to remove a distracting background? Just type in a prompt, and Runway ML takes care of it automatically, delivering seamless background removal in seconds. Want to add dynamic visual effects? You can generate those with just a few words. This is perfect for content creators who want to experiment with creativity without getting bogged down in the technical aspects of editing. Whether you're producing a vlog, a promotional video, or an artistic short film, Runway ML has you covered. So if you're ready to speed up your video editing workflow and unleash your creative potential, Runway ML is the tool for you. Say goodbye to the old way of editing and hello to a new, intuitive approach that helps you produce high-quality video content faster than ever before. It's time to make your editing process as innovative as your ideas. ElevenLabs, a game-changing AI that revolutionizes the way we create voiceovers. Gone are the days when you'd need expensive equipment or a soundproof recording studio to get professional quality audio. With ElevenLabs, you can generate ultra-realistic, human-like voices with just a few clicks. Whether you're producing podcasts, narrating audiobooks, or creating voiceovers for your video content, the results are so convincing that most people won't believe it's AI speaking. What really sets ElevenLabs apart is its flexibility. You're not stuck with just one voice. It offers a wide range of fully customizable options. You can tweak the tone, emotion, pacing, and style to perfectly match the mood you want to convey. Need a calm, soothing voice for a meditation guide? Done. How about a bold, energetic tone for a product ad? No problem. ElevenLabs lets you dial in the exact sound you're looking for. Whether you're telling a dramatic story, providing professional commentary, or creating entertaining content for YouTube, ElevenLabs has you covered from start to finish. It's not just about voice generation. It's about delivering a high-quality, engaging auditory experience. HyperWrite, an AI copywriting tool that's far more than just a basic writing assistant. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, entrepreneur, or just someone trying to stay on top of emails, HyperWrite is here to supercharge your productivity. This tool leverages cutting-edge natural language processing to generate entire articles, emails, blog posts, and even social media content within seconds. Imagine you've got writer's block or an overwhelming to-do list, and in just a few clicks, your text is ready to go. But what really sets HyperWrite apart from other AI tools is how it adapts to your unique writing style. It's not just throwing generic text onto the screen. It actually learns from the way you write. So, over time, the output feels more personalized, like it's coming from you and not some robotic algorithm. Whether you need a professional tone for business emails or a casual voice for social media posts, HyperWrite has you covered. Perfect for anyone looking to save hours in their day. HyperWrite is like having a full-time writing assistant by your side, boosting creativity and ensuring you hit all your deadlines without the headache. From small business owners who need help drafting newsletters to professional writers aiming to speed up their workflow, this tool is a game changer. So if you want to enhance your productivity without compromising your creative touch, HyperWrite is the AI tool you absolutely need in your arsenal. Trust me, once you start using it, you won't want to go back. Need a professional website but don't have the time, coding skills, or design expertise to make one from scratch? Say hello to Durable, the AI-powered web designer that can build you a fully functioning, eye-catching website in under a minute. Yes, you heard that right. less than 60 seconds to get a website up and running. Whether you're an entrepreneur launching a new business, showcasing a creative portfolio, or starting a side project, Durable takes care of all the heavy lifting so you can focus on your vision. Here's how it works. All you need to do is input a simple description of your business or the type of website you're looking for, and Durable instantly generates a sleek, modern design tailored to your needs. Not only does it create a visually appealing layout, but it also populates the site with relevant copy and high-quality images, so you won't be staring at blank pages wondering what to write. It's like having a professional web designer, content creator, and photographer, all wrapped into one powerful tool. And don't worry about spending hours fine-tuning the details. Durable gives you the flexibility to customize your site, adjusting everything from color schemes to fonts, ensuring that the final product feels 100% unique to you. It's perfect for small business owners, freelancers, or anyone who needs an online presence without the hassle of traditional web development. With Durable, building a professional website is no longer a daunting task. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refresh your online presence, this tool makes web design faster, easier, and more accessible than ever before. So why wait weeks for a website when you can have one ready in a minute? Next up, we have Synthesia, a groundbreaking AI video creation tool that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI-generated content. Imagine being able to produce high-quality, professional videos without ever needing a camera, a microphone, or even a human presenter. With Synthesia, all you need is a script, and the tool's AI avatars will take care of the rest. These avatars deliver your message with lifelike expressions, natural-sounding speech, and human-like gestures, making it feel like a real person is talking directly to your audience. But that's not even the best part. With Synthesia, you can create videos in over 120 languages. That means whether you're making training videos, social media content, business presentations, or even marketing campaigns, you can tailor your message to reach a global audience without the need for multiple voiceovers or translations. Need to communicate with clients in Japan or launch a product to Spanish-speaking audiences? Synthesia makes it effortless. Whether you're looking to create visually compelling content for your social media, produce multilingual training videos for your international team, or craft presentations that stand out, Synthesia is the perfect tool to elevate your video production game. It's fast, flexible, and most importantly, accessible to everyone. So, why stick to old-school video production when you can step into the future with Synthesia? Presentations just got a whole lot easier and more exciting with Tome. This innovative AI tool takes your raw ideas and effortlessly transforms them into visually compelling slide decks in a matter of minutes. Gone are the days of struggling with clunky PowerPoint templates and spending countless hours trying to make your slides look professional. With Tome, you can wave goodbye to tedious formatting and design work. Instead, you can focus on what truly matters: your content and message. Tome integrates seamlessly with your thoughts, allowing you to input text, images, and even video with just a few clicks. The AI does all the heavy lifting, arranging your content in a way that looks like it was crafted by a professional designer. Imagine having a beautiful presentation come to life in real time, while you barely lift a finger. This is especially useful for those last-minute pitches or meetings when you need to impress, but don't have the luxury of time. So if you're looking to elevate your presentation game without the stress and hassle of traditional software, Tome is your go-to solution. With its powerful AI capabilities and user-friendly design, you'll not only save time, but also impress your audience with stunning visuals that tell your story. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just getting started, Tome is here to make your ideas shine. Let's face it, organizing tasks and managing projects can often feel overwhelming, especially when you have a million things on your plate. But fear not, because Notion AI is here to streamline your workflow and make project management a breeze. This powerful AI-powered assistant takes the hassle out of organizing your work life, transforming chaos into clarity with just a few clicks. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can summarize long notes, pulling out the key points so you don't have to sift through pages of information. With Notion AI, that's not just a dream, it's a reality. It can also create to-do lists based on your goals and deadlines, ensuring you stay on track without feeling buried under an avalanche of tasks. Need to brainstorm ideas or outline a project? Just ask Notion AI, and it can whip up an entire project outline for you in no time, giving you a clear roadmap to follow. But what makes Notion AI truly special is its versatility. Whether you're managing a remote team, coordinating a group project, or planning your personal endeavors, Notion AI adapts to fit your needs. It can help you track progress, assign tasks to team members, and even set reminders, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. You can collaborate in real time, so everyone stays informed and engaged, all within one intuitive platform. Let's dive into a topic we all know too well, meetings. They can be time-consuming and often feel unproductive, right? Enter Fireflies.ai, an AI-powered tool designed to transform how you handle meetings. Imagine a solution that automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes your meetings in real time. That's right. No more scrambling to jot down notes or worrying about missing key points. With Fireflies.ai, you can fully engage in discussions without the distraction of note-taking. The AI works behind the scenes, capturing every word and nuance of your conversation. Once the meeting wraps up, it provides a clear and concise summary, highlighting essential takeaways and action items. So whether you're brainstorming ideas, discussing project updates, or planning future strategies, Fireflies.ai ensures you don't miss a beat. This tool is perfect for anyone who spends a significant part of their day in meetings, be it team leaders, project managers, or even remote workers. With Fireflies.ai, you can maximize your productivity and ensure that your time spent in meetings translates into actionable outcomes. Plus, it integrates smoothly with your existing calendar and video conferencing tools, making it an effortless addition to your workflow.